And last year I found a bunch of rubs in here, and I look at it as it's a good location because it's open right here, and it sits like on a bench, and all the animals, I've seen moose in here, and I've seen a lot of deer. I do have bucks on camera, but I haven't shown any to anyone, just my family, some of my immediate friends. But this is why I set up here, is because it's a real flat area, drops right off over a steep bank, and all the animals, including myself and other people, they don't like walking up and down hills, so they walk where it's flat. That's why the animals, the deer and the moose that I've captured in here and seen, walk on this flat area. This is one of the setups that I use to get footage of animals. This camera here is a Browning Dark Ops, and I use the best SD cards that you could buy to put in them. The cameras hold up real well, and I've checked 2 of my cameras so far, and they only have 100% life to the battery. I hope that you can find the same in your own area to set up cameras. If you look around in that area too, you can see where the deer are nibbling on the foliage, they'll nip it on the little buds and things. And I use Python locks on all my cameras to give me the needed security, that somebody won't steal the card or steal the camera off the tree. And like I said, this is a Browning Dark Ops. I've had a lot of luck with this, or a lot of I've had a lot of footage on this camera in this area here. The battery's still 100%. I had on this camera, I had 94 things on it. Got 122 videos on here, and the camera's still 100%. I recommend people, my friends, people I know, to use Brownings, because they're a good camera. Can't beat them. They're easy to. They're easy to program. They're easy to set up. In this area, it's fairly open, and what I'll do is I'll turn the camera around and have you look at what the camera is looking at. Fairly good setup, I think, in your own area, in your backyard, that anybody could, set up their own camera to catch, game, and capture game on their trail camera. Like myself, like I had said in the past, this is what I like doing. It's enjoyable to me. It gets me outside in the woods walking. So, and thank you for watching.